important questions in our industry. Regarding possible protectionist measures against Russian steelmakers, I think that we have a lot of instruments to avoid negative consequences of these measures. First of all, I would like to focus on our possibility to diversify our exports in terms of different locations. Due to ruble devaluation, we have very good competitiveness, and it allows us to export in geographies which are not so interesting in terms of pricing, but due to our very low cost positions, we can achieve very good margins. And in the case of any negative measures against our products in some markets, we can move our volumes to other geographies and to maintain our export volumes on the same level. Of course, we will lose in terms of margins, but nevertheless, we can minimize the negative impact of these measures. And additionally, I would like to say that we have instruments of WTO organization in order to discuss these measures and to remove them in the future. So we should cooperate our teams, different companies, in order to have a single position on these measures and in order to efficiently remove any negative measures against Russian steel products. And finally, I would like to say that our priority is domestic market, and we realize that exports is not a source of long-term value creation for Russian steelmakers, and only domestic market is the source of long-term value creation for us, and we have about 70% of our sales on domestic market and only 30% on export market. So the largest share of our sales is sold domestically. So we are going to develop relations with our local customers and develop our quality and services in order to fulfill all requirements of our customers domestically. And in the end, due to the growth of steel consumption after the end of crisis in Russian economy, we expect that domestic market will be able to absorb our production and to maintain 100% capacity utilization, as now, despite possible negative developments in export markets due to protectionism.